Hey guys, so before you ask, I'm just gonna declare I'm not trying to be like one of those YouTubers like the cute backgrounds. Like, this is literally a shower curtain that I put on top of a washing machine. Of course, I'm in the lunchroom again because I have nowhere else to film without background noises. I'll probably have some background noise in here, but it won't be as loud as everywhere else. Unless I go in the garage, but I really don't want to. And there's like stuff all over the garage table, so I really have nowhere to film in there. So yeah, I just put this down because I'm filming right on top of the washing machine, and there's clothes in here. Probably wondering why it doesn't make sound because it's done, and I don't want to take them out right now. Probably take them out later because I'm a nice person. That's not my job. But so I have some people complaining about me not making DIY videos anymore. Like it was just in real life, because if you guys go searching for the comments, you probably won't find them, but I have some people requesting DIY videos in the comments of some of my videos, and in real life, I got some comments from my friend that I should stop making squishy videos. Like, she wasn't trying to be rude, I was saying, like, I have been making squishy videos a lot, I do realize that, but I love squishy videos, and now I'm actually considering turning into a squishy YouTuber, but, you know, I don't know, I'll just do some squishy videos. I'll just have like a variety of different videos. If you see that shadow, that's literally me doing our motions to literally no one but myself, since you guys can't even see it. But yeah, so I decided to combine a DIY and squishy, two things I love, DIYs and squishies. But, you know, it would just be too easy to do DIY squishies. So we're going to be doing DIY squishy phone case. Literally, I'm not even talking that long and I'm already out of breath. So I have this iPhone 5S, I believe, phone case. Dang it. Which is the kind of phone I used to have. But, since my phone was like really like messed up and cracked, I actually have it right here. It's like messed up and cracked, like right there. It's like all messed up and cracked. I never used like these hard phone cases, and I only like the jelly phone cases anyways, like the silicone phone cases, whatever. So I never really used hard phone cases, ASMR. So I found this phone case, and I was thinking, why don't we put a squishy on the back of it for a DIY squishy phone case? So everyone knows I love squishies, so I just bought this squishy right here. So this is the phone case. It says happy on it, and it's like a beach, but there's like a clear top like right there, so that's where we're going to put the squishy. We're going to make it small, and if you're wondering why I brought this squishy, it's because we are going to use that squishy to put this on. We're going to use that squishy to model it. So yeah, let's just go into fast motion of me cutting this. And I don't even think I showed it yet. This is what we're going to be using. We're going to turn it into a heart. It's just a cut up squishy. So guys, here it is. I am no DIY master. I'm not more DIY, so it's not perfect. And I also don't have hot glue. So we're going to be using this nail glue. Because nail glue is actually like really strong. So I'm gonna find out where to place it. Probably gonna place it like, I really don't know. Well, the phone case goes like this, so I'm probably gonna place it like that. And yeah, let's go. So here is the finished product. It's not perfect, again, like I said. And you guys can color it, paint it, whatever, but of course, it kind of matches the letters, and I'm too lazy to, oops. It's definitely not this shape. So yeah, thank you guys. So, oh yeah, I forgot, I said I was going to model it on my phone. So this is why I like the jelly cases and stuff. Like, I got it all like messed up here. There's nothing wrong with the back. I only have tape on the back. Dang it. Sorry about that. I only have tape on the back because I was too lazy to cut it. So there's nothing wrong with the back. But yeah, here's the phone case. Trying to get a good angle. Okay, there it is. That's the phone stud. But yeah, there's the thing. And if you're a professional DIY person, then it would look way more cuter. But it's still squishy. So you can squish it. And yeah. Doesn't really cover up the words. I mean, it does a little bit right there, but you can still see it and look, it does not fall off. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a like, share it. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. And bye.